Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here. It's around 4 o'clock in the afternoon and the storm just now started to wind down. We got a lot of snow drifts. As you can tell, like right here, there's really nothing on the ground, maybe an inch. But if you turn over here, we probably got a few feet. I got my yardstick here and we're going to see what we got. Let's see how far this one goes down. That is 25 inches right there. If you look, you're going to go to the side. That is a pretty big snowdrift. I know the front yard has a lot more, so I'm going to go out there and get some. Okay, I'm out front now. This is my view from the garage. I know you're probably having problems understanding me, but it's because my mouth is covered up with scars and everything else. But if you look right here, we have a pretty large snowdrift. Let me see what we got out of this. Let's go to this point right here. That is about 26 inches, it looks like. Let's see if we can get any higher totals out of that. There is a 28. There's another 28. Let me go out the front and see what the roads look like. Assuming my hand doesn't freeze off first. It sounds like a car is stuck out here. Toward the tractor. There we go, plowing the roads. This is what people have to deal with when they try to get out of our home edition, right here. That is 10 inches right there. The side of this is sitting up at about 24. So 10 to 24 inches of snow to actually drive on. So no wonder it's really hard to get out, or I know a lot of people are getting stuck. I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits for now because my hand is freezing off.